victim in this tower. I don't know, but let's try it. Can I be the next victim? Flash right over here. Flash. Where's I will not break this tower, but I'm not. Okay, push tower. See this? Leave me alone. I'm talking about you. I'm not supposed to you. And guys. And what is this? I'm sure this one won't escape. I will be kicked out. See, I kick out. But I can still catch it. How did I just got that? How did I just got that beat? You know where? I can be the next victim, I think.